Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the KC family. As you can see from the title down below, today we will be making some Guyanese style coconut buns. First, you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients together. I just added my flour and sugar. I'm gonna add some baking powder and some salt, and we're gonna mix that all together. Next, we're gonna add some butter and we're gonna mix that in. Ensure that your butter is cut finely and you mix that in with your spatula. After that, you just use your hands and you get that finely mixed in. Ensure it's coated all over the flour and the sugar and everything else, all the other dry ingredients that you would have mixed in there, and you just work that in. After we finish combining the butter with the dry ingredients, we're now going to use our coconut flakes and add it into the mixture. Now you can use freshly grated coconut flakes, or you can do what I did and purchase it from the supermarket. The wet ingredients, you need milk, you need 2 eggs, you need vanilla extract. There were almond extract or almond essence on the ingredients list from the recipe, but I didn't have that, so this is all modified. You will see my ingredients down below, and I will link the original down below. So you just whisk that all together until it's all combined, and then you add it to your dry ingredients. All combined, you mix your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients until you get like a gooey kind of sticky texture, and that's when you know everything is mixed in. once your buns is at the right consistency, you use a tablespoon and you just take a spoonful and you put it on some parchment paper. In your cookie sheet is the best sheet. I did not have that, so I used the regular pan. You use your parchment paper, wax paper, greaseproof paper, they're all the same. Just use a tablespoon and make your bun. You want to try to shape it so it looks like a bun, and then you place it in the oven for 25 minutes. Now I placed it in for about 40 minutes. Mind you, it was still soft and everything, but I wanted it to be a little bit more brown, so I placed it in the oven a little bit longer. And yeah, this is the buns, and you can see it's all soft and so good. And mind you guys, I baked this here. It finished baking at 8 p.m. and when I got up the next morning, it was all done. They barely had like 2 in the bowl. So yeah, my family like it, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.